Welcome to the vibrant world of Igbo art and craftsmanship where tradition meets creativity. Igbo wood carvings are renowned for their intricate designs and deep symbolism. These carvings are not just art, they are a profound expression of the Igbo culture and heritage. Skilled artisans, often with years of experience passed down through generations, meticulously craft majestic figures, masks, and decorative pieces. Each carving tells a story, representing various aspects of life, spirituality, and the natural world. The masks, for instance, are used in traditional ceremonies and rituals, embodying ancestral spirits and deities. The figures often depict historical events or significant cultural narratives, making each piece a unique masterpiece that connects the past with the present. Igbo pottery is a testament to the region's rich cultural heritage. Beautifully crafted vessels serve both practical and decorative purposes. Igbo textiles, such as the renowned Aquatea cloth, are a testament to the region's exceptional expertise in weaving and dyeing. These textiles are not just pieces of fabric, they are vibrant canvases that tell intricate stories of Igbo history, culture, and mythology. Each pattern and color used in the cloth has a specific meaning, often passed down through generations. The process of creating these textiles is labor-intensive and requires a deep understanding of traditional techniques. From the selection of raw materials to the final dyeing process, every step is meticulously carried out by skilled artisans. The Aquatea cloth in particular is known for its bold geometric patterns and rich colors, which symbolize various aspects of Igbo life, including social status, spiritual beliefs, and historical events. These textiles are a living heritage, preserving the rich cultural legacy of the Igbo people. Today, Igbo artisans blend traditional techniques with modern styles, creating stunning pieces that appeal to global audiences. Igbo art and craftsmanship are more than just creative expressions. They are a vibrant testament to the enduring spirit and rich history of the Igbo people. Each piece of art, each crafted item, tells a story of generations past, weaving together the threads of tradition, culture, and identity. These artisans, with their skilled hands and deep knowledge, embody the region's rich cultural heritage. By preserving these traditions, they not only keep the past alive but also pass down invaluable knowledge to future generations. Their work is a bridge connecting the old with the new, ensuring that the essence of Igbo culture continues to thrive. Through community celebrations, cultural workshops, and art demonstrations, we honor the past and inspire the future. These events are not just about looking back. They are about fostering a sense of pride and belonging, encouraging younger generations to embrace and continue these beautiful traditions. Explore more Igbo cultural stories on our channel. Dive deep into the world of Igbo heritage, where every story, every craft, and every celebration is a testament to the resilience and creativity of the Igbo people. Join us in this journey of discovery and appreciation.